In which species is the ovarian cortex centrally located with ovulation restricted to an ovulation fossa? Mare, cow, sow, Eve. And the correct answer is option A, mare. An exaggerated immune response to a foreign antigen that causes tissue damage is termed autoimmunity, hypersensitivity, immunodeficiency, energy. And the correct answer is option B, that is hypersensitivity. Severe placentitis or disruption of the truncular cartilaginary interface leading to retained fetal membranes is most commonly caused by brucellosis, trichomoniasis, bovine viral diarrhea, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. The proportion of an administered drug dose that reaches the systemic circulation unchanged is termed bioequivalence, bioavailability, therapeutic index, distribution coefficient. And the correct answer is option B, that is bioavailability. Which branch of zoology deals with the scientific study of mammals characterized by mammary glands and a neocortex? Malacology, mammalogy, herpetology, ornithology. And the correct answer is option B, mammalogy. Acoustic waves are classified based on their frequency relative to the upper limit of the human audible range. Which threshold must a sound wave exceed to be categorized as an ultrasound? 200 Hz, 2000 Hz, 20,000 Hz, 200,000 Hz. And the correct answer is option C, that is 20,000 Hz. Which salivary enzyme initiates the digestion of polysaccharides into maltose and dextrins but is absent in most domestic carnivores and ruminants? Lysozyme, thiolin, that is salivary amylase, pepsinogen, trypsin. And the correct answer is option B, thiolin, that is salivary amylase. The 1897-98 experiment using a Chamberlain porcelain filter that proved foot and mouth disease is caused by a filterable agent was conducted by whom? Robert Koch and Louis Pasteur, Loeffler and Frost, Valley and Carey, Ivanovsky and Bejernik. And the correct answer is option B, that is Loeffler and Frost. In veterinary radiology, what term describes the overall blackness or degree of darkening on a radiographic or digital image? Radiographic contrast, radiographic density, subject radiopacity, geometric penumbra. And the correct answer is option B, that is radiographic density. Which zoonotic protozoan uses the domestic cat as its only definitive host and can cross the placenta to cause congenital defects? Fusobacterium necrophorum, Toxoplasma gondii, Neospora canina, Giardia duodenalis. And the correct answer is option B, that is Toxoplasma gondii. In normal bovine milk, what is the approximate ratio of casein to whey proteins? 20:80, 60:40, 80:20, 90:10. And the correct answer is option C, 80:20. The S phase of the cell cycle during which DNA synthesis occurs is a subdivision of which main phase? Prophase, G phase, interphase, cytokinesis. Option C, interphase, is the correct answer. In veterinary obstetrics, which term describes the relationship of the fetal dorsum to the maternal pelvic quadrants like sacrum, pubis, or ilium? Presentation, position, posture, mutation. And the correct answer is option B, position. Which genetic phenomena occurs when a single gene influences multiple seemingly unrelated traits? Multiple alleles, polygenic inheritance, pleiotropy, epistasis. And the correct answer is option C, that is pleiotropy. What term describes the ingestion of fecal matter, that is a behavior essential for establishing gut microflora in neonates and hindgut fermenters? Pica, coprophagia, cecotrophy, geophagy. And the correct answer is option B, coprophagia. In broiler breeder flocks, what is the recommended male to female mating ratio to ensure optimum fertility while preventing overmating injuries in hens? 1:8, 1:10, 1:12, 1:15. And the correct answer is option B, that is 1:10. Which part of the pituitary gland synthesizes and secretes the gonadotropins FSH and LH in response to GnRH? Adenohypophysis, neurohypophysis, pars intermedia, ovarian follicle. And the correct answer is Option A, adenohypophysis. Which anaerobic spore-forming bacterium produces a neurotoxin that blocks the presynaptic acetylcholine release, causing flaccid paralysis? Clostridium tetani, Clostridium botulinum, Clostridium perfringens, Clostridium shoei. And the correct answer is option B, Clostridium botulinum. Cell division is initiated primarily by changes in which of the following regulatory signals? DNA, nucleus, cytoplasmic index, karyotype index. And the correct answer is option C, that is cytoplasmic index. Newcastle disease virus belongs to which type of viral genome? Non-segmented negative sense single-stranded RNA, segmented negative sense single-stranded RNA, segmented positive sense single-stranded RNA, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, that is non-segmented negative sense single-stranded RNA.
전 먹으면 맛있더라.
Consumption of food or water with an alkaline pH contaminated by animal urine is a common source of infection for which disease? Leptospirosis, foot and mouth disease, tuberculosis, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, that is leptospirosis. An acute onset of oliguria or anuria, often accompanied by azotemia, is most common indicator of which renal condition? Acute glomerular necrosis, acute tubular necrosis, acute interstitial nephritis, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, acute tubular necrosis. Postmortem examination of meat cuts should ideally be carried out with which time period after slaughter? 5 to 7 hours, 4 to 6 hours, 3 to 6 hours, more than 6 hours. And the correct answer is option C, that is 3 to 6 hours. Induction of estrus by regression luteolases of the corpus luteum is achieved using which hormone? PGF2 alpha, progesterone, GnRH, all of the above. And the correct answer is option A, PGF2 alpha. Humans become infected by which larval form of Taenia species? Hydatid cyst, Metacercary, Cercary, Cysticercus. And the correct answer is option D, that is Sisti Circus.
Hmm.